In this video, we'll be discussing the question answers of the chapter The Bishop's Candlesticks, okay, which is there in your English reader book, and this is for class 8. So let's begin. First, you must go through the following word meanings, okay. Now, moving on to the question answers, the first question is, how did Bonvenu know that break into his house? Okay, Bonvenu, what he did, he never put any lock on his door because he knew that thieves would break into his house only when the doors are locked. If he keeps the door unlocked, then they won't break the door, they would just be able to walk in. Okay, anybody would be able to walk in inside. Okay. The next question is, why did Jean show Bonuvu his passport? Okay, when he wanted to enter into his home, he just took out a passport from his pocket and showed it to him because he thought that the bishop was confused that he may be his brother. He was constantly addressing him as his brother. He was just thinking that I have spent 19 years of my life in the prison, and how is this person telling me that I have seen you somewhere? Okay, so he just took out his passport and the gave him the proof that he was in prison. Now let's move on to the next question. Why did the bishop move out of the palace? The bishop was initially given a huge palace to live in, but then he decided that he would give up the palace for the sake of betterment of his people. Because when he visited the hospital, he found that 30 patients were crammed up in a hospital. Okay, he felt that he was just a family of three people, and a family of three people doesn't need such a huge house, so he must give his house to the patients, and so he shifted somewhere else and gifted the palace to these people. Now the next question, why does Jean say you are the craziest innkeeper I've ever met? The bishop was constantly calling Jean his brother, and so he said that you are a completely crazy person, because he had never heard anyone telling him that you are my brother. Okay, now let's move on to reference to context. You can see that there are three questions over here. Just go through them. The quote is, everyone say I'm welcome until they know who I am. Who says this to whom? Why does the speaker say so? And what crime has the speaker committed? Okay, the speaker says so. Why? Because he was a criminal, and as soon as people came to know that he is a criminal, they would just drive him away. Fine. And what crime has the speaker committed? The speaker is a very dangerous criminal. Okay, he had committed a burglary, and for that he was sentenced for 5 years, and then again he tried to break away from the prison and he tried to run away from there, so he was again sentenced to 14 years of imprisonment. Now go through this exercise. Okay, here you have to choose the correct option in number B, and in number C you have to write whether the statements are true or false. Just do B and C. Moving on to the next page, see here you have been given two columns. You have to match this column with this. Okay, you have been given synonyms here. Okay, just look at the synonyms. The first one is refusal. Refusal means non-compliance. Momentum means impetus. Sparked, ignited. Hailed, acclaimed. Icon, symbol. Okay, I hope you like the video, and you are requested to just write these down in your notebooks. See you soon. Take care. Stay safe.